Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. Let's continue our chapter, the Browning version. And here we are at the lines of Mrs. Millie. Millie, the wife of Mr. Crocker Harris, to Taplow, waiting for my husband. Taplow, moving down left of the table. Yeah, yes. Taplow is quite surprised because he was not expecting his teacher's wife there, and Taplow and Mr. Frank, they were doing conversation about Mr. Crocker Harris and some bitter thing also. So they were very confused or shocked maybe, because Mrs. Millie, who was already present there, they don't know since a long period of time she was standing outside there, and maybe she have been overheard the talking between both of the characters. Millie, oh, he's at the Barsars and might be there quite a time. If I were, you would go. Then Taplow doubtfully, he said, most particularly I was to come. It means Millie is saying that if Taplow want to go, he just might be go from there. Taplow, he said, most particularly I was to come, but Mr. Crocker Harris told him he must be come to this place. Millie, well, why don't you run away for a quarter of an hour and come back? It means if he won't, he could take a break for 1 hour and just return after that. She unpacks some things from the basket. Then Taplow, supposing he gets here before me, if he just goes out from this place, and just after few seconds Mr. Crocker Harris would come here, then we'll have to. Millie, smiling, I will take the blame. She takes prescriptions out of the basket. I tell you what, you can do a job for him. Take this prescription to chemist and get it made up. Okay, Taplow, all right, Mrs. Crocker Harris. He crosses towards the door upright, and after taking the prescription from Mrs. Crocker Harris, then the Taplow went away. This and we have just entered the chapter of Mr. Brown and the Browning version. Student, after completing this one, I'm just discussing some questions with you. These are the notes related to the chapter, and I will send these notes to my the school WhatsApp group also. First question is, what is difference between the character of Mr. Frank and Mr. Crocker Harris? Answer, as far as we have understood the character of Mr. Crocker Harris and Mr. Frank, there is a big difference between both of them. Mr. Crocker Harris is a well disciplined and strict teacher. The students obey him not only for his principles but also for his ethics. Sometimes his strictness seems to as a dictatorship, but actually he follows all rules and regulations of the school. And here Mr. Frank is a young teacher who feels quite insecure and try to make an effort that Mr. Crocker Harris does not have good image among students. We can say that Frank is lack of self-confidence and moral values, and he rather sound jealous to Mr. Crocker Harris. Student, next question. Mr. Crocker Harris is not a sadist. Still his students scared of him. Why? Or why the student of school afraid of Mr. Crocker Harris? Answer is, during the conversation between Taplow and Mr. Frank, Taplow says that Crocker Harris is not a sadist. He never punished any student bitterly. Sometimes he reveals his feelings and jolly nature to produce his old jokes. He is all the shriveled up inside like a nut and seems to hate people like him. It means like a nut, he is just look very tough from outside, but inside he is very delicate. Next question is, how does Mr. Crocker Harris, how does Mr. Frank relish Mr. Crocker Harris being criticized by Taplow? Mr. Frank feels a little bit jealous and Mr. Crocker Harris, because he enjoys a wonderful hold over his student. He is a devoted teacher who always follows rules and regulations. Frank enjoyed it when Taplow imitated Mr. Crocker Harris in his throaty voice. Next question. Why did Taplow have to stay back at school on the last day? Taplow had to stay back at school on the last day as he has missed a class of Mr. Crocker Harris, and the previous week, and Mr. Crocker Harris has passed him to make amends for it because Mr. Crocker Harris is a hard task master. The last question is, who was Mr. Crocker Harris and how was he different from the other masters? Mr. Crocker Harris was a senior school teacher who was rather tough and disciplined. He always followed the rules and regulations very strictly. When Taplow asked about his result, he just answered that he got whatever he deserved. Student, these are some important notes that related to your chapter. Read it down, and I will send the photos of these notes also. Just revise this chapter, and we will continue the further part of our syllabus tomorrow. Goodbye.